Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 22, March 2018, question 21. The periodic table lists all the known elements. Elements are arranged in order of dash number. So the options are nucleon and proton. So they are arranged in the order of proton number, eliminating options A and B. Next, the melting points of group 1 elements dash down the group. The melting point of group 1 elements decreases down the group. So this eliminates option D. Next, the melting points of group 7 elements dash down the group. This should increase. So the question is which words correctly complete gaps 1, 2, and 3. So the correct option for this question is option C. Question 22. Metal X reacts with non-metal Y to form an ionic compound with the formula X2Y. So if metal is X and it reacts with Y and there are two metal ions, so X should have a negative 1 charge, positive 1 charge, and Y should have a negative 2 charge. That is why 2 moles of X would react with 1 mole of Y, producing X2Y as the ionic compound. Which statements are correct? X is in group 1 of the periodic table. Yes, this is correct. X is in group 2 of the periodic table. No. Y is in group 6 of the periodic table. It has a charge of 2 minus, so it will be in group 6. Y is in group 7 of the periodic table. No, that is incorrect. Since statements 1 and 3 are correct, option A is the correct option for this question. Question 23. Which statements about group 1 and group 7 elements are correct? In group 1, lithium is more reactive than potassium. No, reactivity of group 1 metals increases down the group. So lithium is less reactive than potassium. So this is incorrect. And in group 7, chlorine is more reactive than fluorine. No, in group 7, fluorine is more reactive than chlorine because the reactivity decreases down the group. Therefore, since both statements are incorrect, the correct option for this question is option D. Question 24. Which two properties are physical properties of all pure metals? They are not brittle. They are good conductors of electricity. They are good conductors of heat. They are malleable. So this property is true for all pure metals. And the next column says poor conductor of heat. This is incorrect. Malleable is correct. Low melting point, they have high melting point, and low density, they have high density. So since both properties are correct in option B, B is the correct option for this question. Question 25. Aluminum is extracted from aluminum oxide using electrolysis. Carbon dioxide is formed in this process. Which equation shows the formation of carbon dioxide during the extraction of aluminum from aluminum oxide by electrolysis? So we have got carbon anodes. They burn away in the oxygen produced at the anode to form carbon dioxide. So this equation is present in option C, making C the correct option for this question. Question 26. A sample of solid X was added to 3 different solutions to predict the position of X in the reactivity series. X did not react with iron sulfate. That means iron is more reactive than X. X reacted with HCl to produce HCl2 and release hydrogen gas. That means X is more reactive than hydrogen. X did not react with zinc nitrate, showing that zinc is more reactive than X. So which other solution would react with solid X? So the position of X would be hydrogen is less reactive than X, which is less reactive than iron, which is less reactive than zinc. This part, zinc and iron, we obtained from the reactivity series. Therefore, which would react with X. So calcium sulfate. Calcium is more reactive than zinc. So it cannot be calcium sulfate. Copper. Copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So copper sulfate would react. Magnesium is more reactive than zinc. So magnesium will not react. Sodium is more reactive than zinc. So sodium will also not react. So this makes copper sulfate the only solution that would react with X, making option B the correct option for this question. Question 27. Which statement about the uses of aluminum, copper, and iron is correct? Aluminum is used for aircraft manufacture because it has high density. No, because it has low density. Aluminum is used for food containers because it is a good conductor of electricity. No, because it resists corrosion. Copper is used for cooking utensils because it is a good conductor of heat. Yes, this is correct. Stainless steel is used for car bodies because it corrodes easily. No, because it resists corrosion. Therefore, option C is the correct option for this question. Question 28. Air is a mixture of gases. The melting and boiling points of some gases present in clean dry air are shown. In the fractional distillation of liquid air, which gas boils first? It would be the gas with the lowest boiling point, which means it would have the greatest magnitude of the boiling point with a negative sign. So the greatest magnitude is minus 196. So this would be the one that would boil first, which would make option C the correct option for this question. Question 29. Water must be purified before it is suitable for use in the home. Which processes are used to remove solid impurities and to kill bacteria? To remove solid impurities, we use filtration, which eliminates options A and B. And to kill bacteria, we use chlorination, which eliminates option D and makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 30. Which processes do not produce carbon dioxide? Heating limestone produces calcium oxide plus CO2 plus H2O. So, heating limestone produces carbon dioxide. Burning gasoline in car engines produces unburned hydrocarbons plus carbon monoxide plus carbon dioxide plus water. So, this also produces carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis produces C6H12O6 plus oxygen. So photosynthesis does not produce carbon dioxide. And production of nylon. Production of nylon produces nylon and water. No carbon dioxide is produced. Since processes 3 and 4 are correct, option D is the correct option for this question.